After I found out about this recipe, I only make chicken drumettes like this. Start by adding 900 grams of chicken drumettes in a large skillet over medium heat filled with 1 liter of boiling water. Then cover the skillet and let them cook for 10 minutes. After this indicated time, season the chicken with 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 3 crushed garlic cloves. Stir until incorporated. Cover the skillet again and let it all cook for another 5 minutes. After this indicated time, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 150 milliliters of water. Stir again. Cover the skillet and let it all cook for another 5 minutes. Now, add 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Stir once again. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Also, add 3 tablespoons of honey and stir one last time. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe, so click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comment section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city, and I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.